What should we do if children don't like doing their homework when they are on vacation at home? Is there any good way to help children reduce some of their written homework? Creator can efficiently produce this kind of interactive exercise content. You can create the content according to what the children are going to learn or what they have already learned. Let children say goodbye to written homework, do things with their own hands, and learn while playing. Now, let's take a look at what kinds of content there are.